You'll get every little bit. You ain't never seen a drip like this. Heaven at your fingertips. Don't you let a minute slip. Just
what it do, gang? It's water day. We are headed out and about. Don't mind the house, don't mind the braids. It don't matter. I ain't gotta know we. Y'all go see it around that cut. But that's beneath the fact. It's family day, graduation weekend. Out of here. Out there.
Two of us should get on together.
Yes.
Yeah, this full. I'm gonna get on with Shanala because hers for real.
That baby's so little. She a pound.
Literally.
Well, you get stopped on the water? That's what happened? Oh, they stopped him. Not if they under a certain pounds, they not. They been looking to mess with somebody since they got on that water. They was looking at him for a long time on that water. He just stopped him in the water. You put. Yeah, it's police for the water. It's police for the land.
Me and London want to jump off the dock. Can we do it, please?
Come on, baby.
Please, mommy. Please, mommy. Just over there. Right there. Please. When they leave.
It's police on the water. It's police on the land. You can't get away, huh? Trey, come on. She ready?
Daddy, I'm ready for you to do me.
Trey, you got your ID on you? Okay, don't worry about it. It's fine. I just wanted to make sure it was. Yeah, the police pulled him on the jet ski.
I ain't worried about it. I got my license, so
Yeah, I just wanted to make sure.
I got my license, so it is what it is.
That's why I wanted to make sure. Okay, what it do, gang? Y'all see the family back there in the cut. We is out here, turn, with these churn in this water. It's graduation weekend. We turn, we live it, we out. We out, we live it, we good, we fleshy. We out with the gang. I don't even do all that thing. Y'all already know that ain't me. They're talking. I thought they want to make sure they can't even see.
Hiding it. Hide it. Okay. Big house right there. Why you ain't sticking to your life vest? That thing gonna get caught a little bit out of the water, but you right in that region. You're gonna be bald. Might just take the soap off.
Yeah, you going?
You gotta rub band something.
You gotta wrap that pony a long time. That's why I want you to braid my hair. Are they pulling them back? Yeah.
What happened?
No, he wasn't turning off. They stopped him. That's how he stopped.
Yeah, it look like they pulling him to the
they turned that little sirens on.
Yeah, it look like they pulling him back to the shore. They have to pull them on there though to pull them back because that jet ski faster than the boat. I don't know why. Kids can be on them as long as they're with an adult, but I don't know. I know I heard the light go off. Yeah, he not riding. He just not riding, but he was just pulling him. Go ahead, Deidre.
They ain't never been out there. This is the first time we come out here. They been out there.
It wasn't turning at first. He was pulling him with his hand. Wait, let's see what he say before you go out, so we know any precautions. Yeah, they coming this way. Oh, he ain't coming back. Yes, he is. He coming back. They coming over here. I think you gotta slow down. Wait, Trey.
Registration is laminated plastic.
Oh my God, Naya.
Girl, what?
Jackets, everybody's got one. You're very welcome.
I'm gonna go.
Fun.
I'm gonna own one. As soon as I turn 18, I'm gonna own one.
Oh, I can't define some of my belly.
Turn the camera. Let me how much is it?
They buy much as cars. They like 10 to 1,000.
10 to 1,000.
10 to 12,000. That's for a cheap, like not a good brand either.
Mommy.
You said you gotta, Trey, you gotta wait.
Yeah, he gotta get a sticker.
Stickers.
He must be paying.
No,
His registration stays the same. Oh, they already put the sticker on that one?
Mommy, can I get food? Mommy, that's not fair. KJ went on there 3 times.
KJ not riding. KJ's not riding. There they go. Fucking garage.
But
Yeah.
he went on 3 times. Mommy,
Two-seater things on
I
it.
went 2 times.
KJ,
You
calm
went
down. Okay.
3.
Oh, he did that one already? I thought y'all was in
Mommy,
trouble.
she's telling a story. He went 3. 2
Hush,
times.
we are gonna go.
He went 3. I went 2 times.
Y'all chill. Y'all got people that ain't even go yet. Hey, I'm here.
Yeah, you better go get on, because once he get out there, he can't get out there. He's trying to make sure that he gets you out there safe. Go ahead and get on. Huh?
Mommy,
What?
can I get food?
Yeah, catch y'all don't have to ask for stuff that's on the table. Y'all don't have to ask for food.
I'm just trying to be like your mama here talking about you gonna go next.
I am going next.
No, that's how she got Joyce on there. She told Joyce to go first.
You gotta get a motor seat. You by yourself. You guys have fun.
This is fair.
Yeah, he ride a lot. You see how he idolized out there? He was.
How old are you? Oh,
Oh, I like him. He a good courser. How old are you? That was the question you gotta ask y'all. Sure. What is the age limit? He gone too. Where they at?
Baby, that is
Ooh. Oh, let me go tell Jada. So they was worried about them. Let me go tell them. Hold this for me.
I want to see mommy go on.
Yeah, you ain't gonna see me get on that. No time soon. My drawers cutting. What?
Get on.
KJ, open that for your sister.
It's right
Let me get ready for her mama.
there.
That's what you did, and I was crying.
My bro hit a wheelie.
I'm talking about man be off the water. Yes, wait. I was like, man, when we get out there, go slow.
He about to take out the whole battery. He about to take out the whole battery.
Yeah, I gotta tell him that when he get back up here. You don't see no water. All smoke. You don't even see her. Man be having
It's just right there.
He slowed down for you. See, it's just.
Deep.
Do you really think he knew how to drive those? I kept telling y'all.
Get on.
I kept telling y'all he know, man.
What's that dog name?
Reese.
Shut up, people. Just like your mama.
The red was bad.
That's the best one out of all, both of them.
They by herself. I called Tina to tell her, but she ain't answer. She probably. That's the action. Try, please go get them. I feel like my stomach is.